Hi there, I'm Darryl Williams from Senior Bytes, and this is a continuation of the tutorial on how to track planes using a USB dongle that's used for digital TV on your computer, PC, laptop. So in order to be able to track the planes, we want some software that will convert the signals from the dongle that's picking up the signals from the plane and then convert it onto a map so we can see where the planes are flying and information about the plane. So the way we do that is we go to Google and we do a search for virtual radar. Virtual radar server. Here we go, server home, virtual radar server home, and this is what it looks like. No silhouettes or maps, but there is a way around that. That'll be a future tutorial. So we go to download up the top here, and what we want is we want this file here, download window installer. That's the main program. So we save that and just see how the saving is going. And while that's saving, there's another program that we want to download, and that's Database Writer plugin. And that will record the planes that you're able to track and stores the information about them in a database. Okay, click Writer plugin. So once again, have a look at how the download is going. Okay, so they're downloaded. Okay, so to install virtual radar, we double left click virtual radar setup, go run. Use account control. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your PC? Yes. Okay, I accept the agreement. I click next. Okay, details about changes on the software. Click next. Okay, accept the default folder. Click next. Recommend a port. I did set that up as 1032. I think it was port 80, but yeah, 1032. Different port to 80. Configure firewall so other computers on your network can access virtual radar server. Yes, I'll click next. Click install. Setup is preparing to install virtual radar on your computer. Okay, finish that, and then we'll install the database. Do you want to run this file? Run. Use account control. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your PC? Click next. Yes. Sorry. With the agreement, I accept the agreement. Click next. Put it in the default folder, virtual radar. Click. What was that? Next. And then install. Finish. All we need to do is plug in the dongle. Okay, that means it's plugged in. We need to go to where we close that one. Close that. Okay, so we go to the bat file and run the bat file. Batch file, I should say. Okay, so it's found it. Now it's asking, Windows Firewall has blocked some features on this app. We want to allow access through the firewall. Okay, so this, where it's flashing, it means it's updating the page and looking for planes. Okay, so now we go into the search box and look for virtual radar. There it is there. Click that. That'll open virtual radar. .1032. Okay, so now we go into tools and we go to options. So this is where the database file is located. Flags, silhouettes, pictures. So okay, so it's in the documents folder. Here, aircraft details online lookup. Click that to look up aircraft details. Recording for the database. These are the settings: AVR or Beast raw feed. This is my location in Primby, New South Wales. Connection is network, normal. This is the address. Now you can change this. If you are on, this is the local host. If you are on a network and you want to be able to access the display, just change that as the IP address of your computer on your network, and then other computers can access this feed. Okay, the radar feed. Okay, now that's 31001. So we'll change that to 3 zeros and 5, I believe. Click OK so that we'll have a look here. There's no planes at the moment. Just check my antenna connection. Yeah, nothing as yet. And click this link here. It's online. Sorry about that. While that's loading. This is online. Byte sent. Just check to see if that changes. Yeah, it's changing, so it's working. Now don't close this. You need to run it so that the server is operating. Okay, so I'll just zoom in. So now I need to wait for a plane. So have a look at this. There's no signals at the moment, and it is 10:57 p.m. at night. So not many planes fly overhead during that time. Okay, so I'm Darryl Williams from Senior Bytes. I hope you enjoy this tutorial and get some enjoy the experience of watching planes flying overhead. If you have any questions or comments in relation to this tutorial, please leave them below this YouTube video on my channel Senior Bytes, and I'll reply as soon as possible. In the meantime, have a good day. Goodbye.